Hello, hello, artists. I am here to tell you about your next formative assignment in the landscape unit. And this is the example right here. You see it? Does it look like a random pile of papers to you? Well, they're actually very thoughtfully arranged. If you look closely, you can see a little bit of a pattern. Darker on this side, medium in the middle, light on that side. And that is what we call a value scale. So you are on a hunt for a 10-step value scale. That means at least 10 sheets of paper that go from very, very dark to more medium to light. Now this might look like just a random pile of papers to you still. Here's something that you can do to help yourself see it differently. Use your phone. That's right, Ms. Linsky said use your phone. Use a black and white filter, and then the camera will show you not any color, just the value. See how it's more dark on that end, all black and white, then more gray in the middle and white on that end? You need a value scale because you will be collaging atmosphere. That is when objects that are up close are more saturated in dark, and objects that are farther away in a landscape are more light and diluted. So you are on a hunt for at least 10 sheets of papers going from light to more medium to more dark. And you want to get sheets of paper that are pretty big. This is really the smallest that you should go. You want it to be more like a full sheet of printer paper. But if it's a little bit bigger or smaller, that's just fine. And remember, you can use all sorts of things. Magazines, you can also use some of the spray paint paintings that your class may have made. Graphic novels, all kinds of different things. At least 10 sheets of paper going from dark to medium to light. And the way that I want you to turn them in so that they do not get lost is all in a stack with the darkest at the bottom and the lightest at the top. Use the stapler that is in the turn-in cabinet and immediately put it back into the turn-in cabinet. Do not walk with the stapler back to your desk. There's also a stapler stuck on top of the flat file. Staple them all together, then write your name on your top sheet and collage value scale, because that is what this assignment is. The last thing you need to do before turning it in is attach a rubric, which can be found in the turn-in cabinet. I'm excited to see your value scales, and I'm excited to show you what it is that we are going to do with them. You can see the example in the classroom. I'm going to go make the example from these papers now.